Hey peeps, it's your girl AmberCharmayne and I am back with another video. Today we are going to be talking about everything that I bought from Ulta to re-up on some products that I really like. And I have been out of my products for so long, like I've been squeezing the mess out of the tubes that I had left because there really wasn't much to squeeze out. So I finally was able to go ahead and get all the stuff that I really needed from Ulta, and I am so excited to show you guys. It wasn't that many items, but it was enough for a little mini haul. So I hope you guys enjoy, and make sure as always you pump the brakes and make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure you thumbs up this video so you do not forget to support your girl, and make sure you share this video and comment down below if you use any of these products, if you want to use any of these products, because I will have all the links down below for you guys as always. And I hope you enjoy. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first things I'm going to talk about are going to be the foundations that I got. So this L'Oreal True Match foundation, I have it in neutral cappuccino in 8, and this is what it looks like. It is so misrepresented on the website. I was looking on Ulta's website and it just looked so different than what it actually looked like in real life. And thank goodness I had the old bottle still that was empty, and I was like, well, this is what the bottles say it is, so I hope they didn't like reformulate it or something, and that's why the picture looks like that. But when the package came, it was perfectly fine. It looked just like the one that I already have, and this is what I was mostly wearing last summer. So all my pictures on Instagram, make sure you follow your girl on Instagram. It's AmberCharmayne on everything. If you look at my pictures on Instagram, 9 times out of 10 this is what I was using. Also, you can check out like actual details of my makeup on my makeup page, which is AmberAllure_, I do believe. But you can get to my makeup page from my regular Instagram page as well, in the like tagged section for my pictures. So this is one of my holy grail foundations, even though I actually have it on today, but I've been in the sun, so my makeup does not look as good as it looked earlier. Also, please don't mind the blush, and we're going to talk about the blush because that's one of the things that I also got. And when I turn to the side, it doesn't look that bad. Also, just in real life, it doesn't look as bad as it's coming off. Like when I'm facing forward right now on the camera, it's looking a little crazy, but when I turn to the side, it's really not. So I don't know really what that's about, but IDK. Moving on though, the other foundation that I got is the Maybelline, and my shade in Maybelline is 355 Coconut, and I got it in the matte poreless and the dewy. So this is the matte poreless with the green writing and it says with clay, and then this dewy smooth one says with vitamin E. So I got both of them, and the matte one is a little bit darker than the dewy one, but it's not like that much darker. So I can't wait to see like how they actually look on, and if there is a big difference or not. I can't wait to start using this again because I remember loving it, and I remember when I did start trying new foundations, I kind of was like, I need to go back to my Maybelline. One of these was coming off really orange on the website, and I forget which one it was, but it definitely was coming off super orange, and I was so scared. But once again, I did have a picture of what shade to get, but I didn't take a picture of whether it was the matte or the dewy. Just so you guys know, online the pictures sometimes are a little bit misrepresented, and I don't know what that's about because I'm sure they pay top dollar for them product pictures and they really need to get it together. The next few things that I ran out of and really needed was my concealer and my color corrector, and they were buy one get one 50% off. So I got 2 sets and got the second one 50% off. They're really cheap. I think they're like $4.99. I'll have all the links down below, so all pricing you'll be able to see just by clicking the link. And I most likely will be using an affiliate link, so if you do buy anything, even if it's not the exact product that you clicked on, if you buy something after clicking on the link, I will get commission off of that. just so you guys know. And the shades that I got would be Toffee. So I got 3 of the concealers just because I use the concealer way more than I'm going to be using the color corrector, and I got the color corrector in orange. And I know that I'm not going to be using too much of the color corrector because I just have toned down how much color corrector I have used, and I really need to do like an updated makeup routine, everyday makeup routine for you guys, because I have changed a lot of things, and of course I am using different products and things like that and using it in different ways. The next 2 things I got were 2 of the Morphe continuous setting mist sprays. These are my holy grail setting sprays. I absolutely love this, but I know that Morphe is kind of like getting canceled. Jackie Aina says she's no longer using her affiliate link for them. I don't know if she's not using their products at all, but we'll see. But yeah, they're getting canceled. I forget why. And I'll be using them until I can find something else. I have to look into the details of why Morphe's canceled and see if I agree or disagree, because I'm not about to just follow the crowd. Like, I need to look into it. Just like there's this other brand that people said were canceled because of something to do with Black Lives Matter, but when I went and looked into it, I did not agree. This is the Blackest Black 310 Voluminous Original by L'Oreal. So I got the L'Oreal foundation, and they were having buy one get one 40% off. So I wasn't planning on getting this mascara. It is my holy grail mascara. I just wasn't planning on getting it, but I went ahead and got it just to get the deal. And then the other product I have here is the Formula 10.0.6. I really don't know exactly how you're supposed to read the name of their brand aloud, but this is called the So Totally Clean Deep Pore Cleanser, and this was one of my products from my empties, if you guys recall. And if you haven't watched it, make sure you check it out after this video. And this just takes so much of the dirt that you think is not there or think is gone away. And I love using this on my face after I do a makeup wipe, after I do my cleanser, then I use this and there still be stuff on my face. And I also like to bring this down into my neck, and it gets all the dirt off of my neck as well, so that's really helpful. And I did not know that it was gonna come this big, y'all. Like, look how big it is. And that's because I had like this like travel pack type of situation the last time. I really did not even pay attention to the fact that this was a bigger fluid ounce. So yeah, I'm happy that it's bigger though, because it's really going to last a while, and I'm pretty happy about that, so I can save some coins. Okay, so we are moving on to the last 2 products. Told y'all this wasn't going to be that long of a video. So I got this CoverGirl blush. It's the TruBlend So Flushed High Pigment Blush by CoverGirl. And it's actually called, is it called 345 Hot Frenzy? Yeah, that's what this color is called, 345 Hot Frenzy. And that is what I have on today. And I probably should have put less, but I put on a lot of blush when it comes to my MAC and my NARS blush, and it's fine. And I wouldn't say that this is like more pigmented than those, but it just really, I guess, was a lot for some reason. And I think maybe it didn't react well to me putting on the Morphe setting spray, and it just didn't meld in like those other blushes do. So that was rather interesting. I'm going to have to put less and see what happens another time. And then I went ahead and got the Carol's Daughter Monoi Repair and Moisture Star Strength Leave-In Cream. And one of the local influencers in Columbus recommended that I get this. I mean, I knew about Carol's Daughter because I worked at Ulta, but I really wasn't thinking about it. Like, of course I know what it is, and I was eventually going to try it, but I just wasn't thinking about it right now. But I went ahead and tried it because I was gonna go and buy the Diva Curl cream that they have, because I have used it and I do like it, but I know that they have like a lot of controversy and some lawsuit or something that's happening because people's hair was falling out and being negatively affected. So that's why I went ahead and got the Carol's Daughter instead, because the influencer in Columbus, she said that she really likes this. And that was Kiki Zane that told me about that. I do believe her @ is Kiki_ZHANE, so check her out. She is being reposted by some of your favorite brands. She does makeup, so take a look into her. And I tried it out today, so that's actually what's in my hair today. And I wasn't able to put the Maelle curl custard on it because I've been stealing it from my sister. So I don't think my hair looks as nice as I would want it to look right now. But the cream, I like the consistency of the cream. The scent is okay. It's not something that I absolutely love, but it doesn't stink, so that's always good. I'll just let you guys know that I don't have a problem with it right now as far as using it today. I used it today for the first time, so those are just like a few things that I can tell you about it. And it didn't leave a residue, so it definitely did not leave a residue, so that's good as well. So I'm gonna keep trying it and, you know, just developing my opinion on it so I can share it with y'all. So that was everything on my small Ulta haul. I hope you guys enjoyed just seeing what I got. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you did enjoy this one, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.